Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use a Mastercard gift card on a PlayStation 5. First, turn on your PS5 and make sure you are signed into your PlayStation Network account. From the main home screen, scroll to the top right and open Settings. Inside the Settings menu, move down and select Users and Accounts. Next, choose Account, then open Payment and Subscriptions. And after that, select Payment Methods. Now choose Add a Payment Method and select the option for credit or debit card. Carefully enter the card number exactly as it appears on your Mastercard gift card. Then enter the expiration date and the 3-digit security code from the back of the card. When the system asks for a billing address, type in the same address and zip code that you used when registering the gift card online. This step is important because the payment may fail if the address does not match. After the card is saved successfully, return to the main screen and open the PlayStation Store. Browse or search for the game, add-on, or content you want to buy. When you reach the checkout screen, select your Mastercard gift card as the payment method. Review the purchase details, confirm the payment, and wait a few moments for the transaction to finish processing. Thanks for watching.